you're a player too. So and especially now with Tampa coming up and everything, and with all the grinding that you've been doing, I know all the years you've been playing. When shit hits the fan and it's game point, and we need this point. Where does Sam like to cook, or where we're gonna find Sam? Is Sam going to be cooking up the D side? Is Sam going up the snake? Is Sam going in the middle? Where does Sam like to cook?
So I'm a front Dorito player by trade.
Ooh, my guy.
I can play a little bit everywhere. Like I only place on the field I'm not comfortable is like in the snake. You know,
I
like
feel you.
I
I
could
feel
go
you.
up the gut and make some moves. I could play at home and like joystick everybody else. But like I feel at home in the front of the Doritos, like just cooking up the D side.
Hey, ain't no party like a D side party. I say, man, you
Damn
gotta be a
right.
special. You know what I mean?